Hey guys, so today that I'm gonna post this video is my food blog's 3rd anniversary. Yay! Can't believe I made it this far writing food reviews and all that stuff. But anyway, so I decided, what should I do for my 3rd anniversary? Should I do popular roles? No. And I was like, maybe, because you know, when you celebrate something like a birth, and you make cake. So I was like, what could be special cake? I was like, what about an ube cake? If you don't know what ube is, it's like purple yam. It's a Filipino thing. But I feel like ube tastes like taro. If you ever had like taro boba or anything like that. Ube is purple yam. So we're gonna try to make a cheesecake one. So I watched Marzia's video and she made a matcha cheesecake where you don't have to bake it. But then I read somewhere else where you bake a cheesecake. So I was like, what's the difference between baked cheesecake and not baked cheesecake? And I found out like baked cheesecake is more, the texture is heavier because more dense, while it's kind of like custard, like I guess dense custard, while non-bake, I hope I did that right, but non-bake it's more moist, so it's like mousse. We're gonna try to make ube cheesecake. My first time making cheesecake, so let's try it. So for our ingredients, you need 1 1/4 cup of honey graham. I got this because we make s'mores a lot in this household. 1/4 cup of melt butter. You need butter. Cheesecake filling, you're gonna need 1 pound of frozen grated purple yam. My mom found this in like at Seafood City, but yeah, it's hard, so I should thaw it out. 250 grams of cream cheese, or you can just do 1 pound. 1 1/4 cup of sugar. We keep our sugar in this thing. And then you're gonna need 3 eggs, like this. Then you're gonna need 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Oh, it's leaking. We have a mess situation going on. There we go. So we're gonna use, wait, let me do this first. Oh, so many decisions. Since we need to thaw this, I'm gonna put it in hot water while making all the other preparation. Oh yeah, I'm gonna use this pan, and I wanted to use a smaller one, but I couldn't find it at Walmart or anything, and my mom said we had this. So this is a contraption where basically you put it on here, and when you cheesecake, you can just like untie it and then it comes apart, and I'll be like, oh, that's cool. 1/4 cup of honey of the graham cracker, but I have it like this, so I can't tell. We're just gonna do this. 1 1/2 cups, 1 1/4 cup of the graham. How about we'll just put like, we'll put 3. Maybe we'll put 4. We'll put 4 of those slices just to see how that goes. We're gonna smash this in this, or we're gonna I'm gonna make a mess. I wonder if this really helps me. Oh, it's kind of, yeah. Maybe we'll just do 1 whole pack of this. We'll do 1 whole pack of this, of the graham cracker thingy. We're gonna use our steel iron ice cream scooper. I feel bad. This plastic bag, and then I'm gonna smash it with my own fist. What's it good? Okay, I think this is okay. Right, I think it's okay. So we're gonna melt 1 1/2 butter. So I'm gonna use a little glass thing. So you're gonna need 1/4 cup of it. 1/4 cup. 1/4. So I'm just gonna put in here, if it'll come out. We're gonna put it in for 20 seconds. So, because we're gonna melt the butter, we're gonna mix it with the graham crackers, and I think it's to help like set it. I think. So actually, let's make it 30 seconds. We're gonna melt the butter. So we're gonna melt the butter, and then we're gonna put it in here. We're gonna we're gonna do that. Pour it like this. We're gonna pour it into here, and then I'm gonna mix it. Kind of smells like Rice Krispie treats almost when you mix the graham crackers with the butter. I don't think this is enough for that big pan, but oh well. My mom said just have a very thin crust, I guess. Which makes me sad, click. Okay, we're gonna pour it into here. If it's not big enough, I might just make another batch. Yeah, we're gonna need more. Okay. We're gonna get this now. How about I just do like this first? Yeah, this is not gonna, okay, we're not gonna use this even though I really wanted to. So we're gonna use this pan that's a bit smaller, but it won't look as pretty when I take it out from the thing. Well, I wanted a smaller one. Maybe when I make a different cheesecake version, I'll use that instead. Let's be okay, I'm gonna make it flat all over. There we go. So it says to use a cup to kind of like straighten it out or like smooth it, but I'm just gonna use this thing. Use a plate. Well, you're gonna use a plate. We're gonna use the trick thing again. Yeah, I think I buttered it too much. Sorry. Yeah, I really over buttered it, so so you're gonna let this freeze in the refrigerator. You're gonna let it freeze. Yeah, you're gonna let this freeze. So I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator. It says we're gonna steam the yam. Let's see how it's. Oh, it's pretty good. So, okay, we're gonna wrap 1 pound per yam in foil and steam until very soft for 15 or 20 minutes. So I guess we're gonna move you guys to the oven situation. Come with me, y'all. So for this one, this side, we're gonna get foil. Oh, let's do some bad ripping. So we're gonna just put it like on here. I know I'm doing this right. So do I just do it and like, oh. I'm just gonna put this here for a bit, like maybe for a few seconds, like a few minutes, but I don't want to keep it in there. Here, let's put it. Okay, so while that's boiling, it says to it says to set the preheat your oven for 350 Fahrenheit. So let's do that. Okay, make sure while you're monitoring this, make sure you're monitoring your boiling thing, because you know, always make sure nothing happens in your house. So just be careful of it. Beat the cream cheese 350 grams or 1 block. There's some people I heard you can make like vegan cheesecakes. You just have to, is this 1 block? So it's not really 1 block, but we'll just use it anyway. It's okay. And it said on the thing your cream cheese needs to be room temperature, so I left it out while I was doing everything. To get it to that cream. I love cream cheese, do you? If you're lactose intolerant, I'm sorry. Well, if you're lactose intolerant, you should look for a video. Maybe I'll link down below the description if I find a video that's vegan. So we're gonna beat this. I'm kind of scared. What does beat mean anyway? How do I beat it? Should I just beat it myself? I need to secure this. Oh. Someone forgot to turn it off then. Is this beating, you guys? I can't tell. You know what? Is it beating? I don't condone violence, but you know. Maybe I shouldn't. Maybe beating is not this. Okay. Oh, there we go. Yas. This is hard. Why was I doing this? Okay, we're just gonna do this. I'm gonna take all of this. We lost a soldier. This is dead. So it's just gonna be you and me, guys, right here. And this is my phone. Okay, we're gonna add stuff. We're gonna add the sugar and the salt. So it says to add 1 1/4 cup of sugar. Oh my goodness, I'm making. So we're just gonna add all. We're just gonna put 1 cup. I feel like that's a lot. We'll just add 1/4, so a little bit more. Just add a little bit more salt. My salt like just spilled all over. Spilled everywhere. We're gonna use a pinch of salt. Since I couldn't find my regular salt, so I'm gonna use fine sea salt fine. So hopefully it's okay, cause it's just a pinch. So. Said each time you're gonna add an egg, then beat it, and then continue for 3 times till you cracked all the eggs. Okay, that was bad. That was very bad. Okay, so I'm gonna close this, and then I'm gonna. So I just turn off the stove because I don't think it's really working that much for me. So I'm just gonna let it like sit in that bowl, in that water. Add the final egg. So, and then I'm gonna add the last ingredient, which is vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon. Smells like root beer, floats. So my phone died, so we're gonna do like this. And my camera died, my first one, and I'm using my camera I take pictures with to do this. So because I don't think it got all the things, so I'm kind of mixing the stuff that was on the side of the oh, I feel like ooh, it's turning purple. Remember our friend that was in the fridge? So we're gonna take this off. So I want to try smoothing it out, so I hope this knife will help. So we're gonna put this in the oven for 20 to 25 minutes. And then when that's done, you're gonna cool it in the fridge. Cool and chill it in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours. But yeah, so I'll see you the next time when I take this out of the fridge. So I'm just gonna end this part of the segment here. And yeah, so I'm gonna put this in the oven, bake it, and then I'm gonna put it in the fridge for 6 to 8 hours, hopefully. So it's finally been over past 8 hours since I put this in the fridge. So, oh, look at that beautifulness. Now I'm gonna decorate it with these cake decorations. You just scoop it good. Let me take a picture. What does it taste like? Very good.
Did you put vinegar on it, Mama?
I'm good.
It's like ube. Wash your hands after you eat it.
See?
Tastes like ube. Hey, it tastes like cheesecake.
Maybe because I put a lot of cream cheese in it. And I only put 1 pound of ube.
Did you use up the whole thing?
The packet, yeah. So, I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'm going to link down in the description below the recipe and a vegan recipe and vegan and gluten-free recipe so you guys can enjoy it, that who cannot have lactose or any of that. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!